Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and, essentially, I told my folks last night that I'm coming out of the two-sided market camp, and I am leaning now towards what is likely to be a downside expansion out of these compressed bands. And I went into great detail with them about, how it's going to go and what we're going to do about it. But what I'll say here is we are continuing to see no conviction on the highs. We are not seeing the type of bullish push that we saw in 2013, and that has been a persistent theme all of this year, and it has not corrected itself. Additionally, we continue to attempt to make highs. We fade back not only below the high that we made, but below the prior high, and that's a problem. So it's been two-sided. So the game plan that I see out here, I still see people talking about buying dips and just holding. I mean, that's just insanity. It's been insanity all year. I mean, we're essentially flat on the year. You can't trade this like it's last year. You're going to get murdered. What we saw yesterday, I will show you what got me off the fence here. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart, and this is basically yesterday. So we had struggled with 83 the day before on Monday. We had done 84 half in the overnight, lower high. Then we go ahead down here at the 10 o'clock hour, and we make a morning dip, the kind of dip that we've seen time and again. And that dip, is there for the taking. It's there for the buying. It should be run up past 84 to make new highs. But what's happened? We make our dip. We hit our heads on 1880. We make a higher low versus the dip. We hit our heads on 1880 again, and not only do the bulls give it up, they give it up to the tune of 15 handles. That tells me that there is a lot more there's a lot more of a bearish push than there was last year. And to continue to make lower highs, to continue to be unable to push much higher, it tells me, as we get back out on the daily chart, that we're going to need, at least from here, we're going to need a full test of the 50-day exponential moving average again. And that area, that 59 to 62 area, is a must-hold area. Absolute must-hold area for the bulls. If they lose that area, you're going to see these Bollinger Bands expand, and we're going to go test some deeper areas. And, if you think that's so far-fetched, we were trading 1803 on April the 14th. That's a month ago. So, we had a nice little push up off of there, but right now we're seeing it stall. Is the ultimate uptrend threatened? At this point, no. Way down here is the 200-day exponential moving average. But I would remind you that the Russell has already tested and broken its 200-day exponential moving average, and the NASDAQ has already tested and bounced off of its 200-day exponential moving average. To have the ES go this long without testing its 200-day exponential moving average it's been so long that it starts to become unsustainable. And I think that that's part of the lack of bullish conviction that we're seeing as we make new highs. It's getting drawn back to mean reversion. Okay, and I've been a dip buyer for over a year, and then I was in the two-sided camp, and now I'm essentially in sell rallies mode here. We'll have to see how today goes, but I'm currently short my short account. I intend to be long, bounces, but the bulls are tiring out, and the underlying feeling of the tape and the technicals is that we have a little bit deeper correction. Okay, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come take a free trial for a couple weeks. Come trade this stuff with us. And then you'll get the 20-minute videos at night where we break all this stuff down and explain how we're going to do it and all of that stuff. I have people that subscribe just for the videos alone. They don't even log in. Anyway, if you trade this stuff all day long every day, I would just very humbly suggest that you come see the group that we have in there, because we're doing some really good stuff in my opinion, and it goes way, way, way beyond anything that I'm doing. Okay, have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.